Safety Talk 88. Watch your step. We've talked in the past about many specific safety topics. Today's is more general, simple, even. Watch your step. It may sound silly. We've all been walking since we were about 1 year old. We've had our share of bumps and stumbles learning how. And by now, we all think we know how to walk. But a surprising number of people get hurt just walking. They slip, trip, get tangled, step on things, or walk where they shouldn't. Just like toddlers learning to walk. It shouldn't be this way. There's no reason to get injured just by walking. Let's go over a few simple, common sense rules for walking safely. 1. Watch for liquids on the floor. If you see oil or grease, walk around it. If you step on it, clean your shoes, then clean the spill. Someone else could fall badly. Be extra careful in showers, don't leave soap on the floor. 2. Watch for damaged flooring. Loose boards, nails, bolts, broken tiles, these are hazards. Report them. Avoid them. Protect others. Keep walking areas free from these dangers. 3. Watch for clutter on the ground. Pipes, wires, bolts, tools, empty boxes. They always find their way into walkways. Don't just kick them aside, dispose of them properly. 4. Slow down at corners. Not just drivers, walkers too. Someone might be coming the other way with a cart or long object. Turn carefully to avoid collisions. 5. Be cautious on stairs. Going up or down, always use the handrail. Walk slowly. Don't carry items that block your view. If it's bulky or heavy, get help. 6. Stay in the walkways. Shortcuts are often blocked with machines or materials. They slow you down and put others at risk. Obey signs. If they say, "Do not enter," there's a reason. 7. Watch for overhead loads. If you're near suspended materials, watch above and around you. The danger comes from both directions. 8. Be careful near pits, holes, or loading docks. Falling into one of these can be serious. Never jump between levels. That's how knees and ankles get badly hurt. 9. Walk, don't run. Speed walking is fine, but running is against the rules. It's not worth saving a few seconds at the cost of an injury. The company doesn't need that kind of efficiency. As you can see, there's nothing complicated or technical about walking safely. Everything here is something you already know. It's just a reminder. Watch your step. Pay attention to where you walk.